For a Student Sleeping in a Poetry Workshop by David Wagoner. I've watched his eyelids sag, spring open vaguely, and gradually go sliding shut again, fly up with a peaceful kind of drunken surprise, then wobble peacefully together to send him home from one school early. Soon his lashes flutter in REM sleep. I suppose he's dreaming what all us kings and poets and peasants have dreamed of not making the grade, of draining the inexhaustible horn cup of the cerebral cortex, where ganglions are ganging up on us with more connections than atoms in heaven, but coming up once more empty. I see a clear stillness settle over his face, a calming of the surface of water when the wind dies. Somewhere down there, he's taking another course whose resonance, let's hope, resembles the muttered thunder, the gutter bowling, the lightning of minor minions of Thor, the groans and gurgling of feral lovers and preliterate Mowglis, the songs of shamans whistled through bird bones. A worried neighbor gives him the elbow and he shudders awake, recollects himself, brings back his hands from aboriginal outposts, takes in new light, reorganizes his shoes, stands up in them at the buzzer, barely recalls his books and notebook, meets my eyes and wonders what to say and whether to say it.